Encoder or decoder. Almost every language model is built from one of these two blocks. In this video we'll break down what each one does, where it shines, the key difference, and which one to use. First, encoder models. An encoder reads the whole sentence at once, looking both left and right at every word. Its job isn't to write text. It's to understand it, turning words into rich numbers we call embeddings. Because encoders understand context so well, they power classification, sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and semantic search. BERT is the famous example. If your task is to label, score, or retrieve text, an encoder is your friend. Now decoder models. A decoder works left to right, predicting the next word one token at a time, using only the words that came before it. This simple game of next word prediction is what powers generative AI. That's why decoders are great at generating text, chat, writing, code, summaries, and translation. GPT, Claude, Llama, and Gemini are all decoder-style models. If your task is to create new text, you want a decoder. Here's the key picture. An encoder is bidirectional. Every word can see every other word, so context flows both ways. A decoder is causal. Each word can only look back at what came before, so it can predict what comes next. There's also a third type, the encoder-decoder, or sequence-to-sequence model. The encoder reads and understands the input, then the decoder writes the output. T5 and the original transformer work this way, perfect for translation and summarization. So the core difference comes down to two things: attention direction and training objective. Encoders see both ways and fill in masked words. Decoders see only backward and predict the next word. Quick comparison. Encoders are bidirectional, built to understand, output embeddings, and best for classification and search. Decoders go left to right, are built to generate, output text, and are best for chat and content. In practice you'll meet BERT, Roberta, and modern BERT on the encoder side, GPT, Claude, and Llama on the decoder side, and T5 or BART for encoder-decoder. With Hugging Face, it's just a couple of lines to load either one. So remember: need to understand text? Reach for an encoder. Need to generate text? Reach for a decoder. Need both? Use an encoder-decoder. Follow for more simple AI explainers.